Hello and welcome guys and welcome to this short vlog. And yes, CMA Foundation examinations are over. Finally, last 6 months of hard work, last 6 months of burning that midnight oil, revision classes, MCQ practice, revising your syllabus again and again, everything paid off. Everything came to a fine conclusion that yes, you are reasonably sure that sir, we are going to qualify, right? Yes. So now is the time to first of all relax, to pray to the Almighty, to thank Him for whatever support He gave us during the examination, because without the support of the Almighty, nothing is possible in this world. And therefore, first of all, we need to pray to the Almighty that yes, everything went well. So this is all because of the one and only. Okay. Along with that, now we also need to think about the future. So what do you mean by future? Future means what are the next steps that we are going to take once we qualify our CMA Foundation examination. Guys, I presume that most of you have a very clear-cut thing in your mind that yes, sir, we'll at least qualify. We don't know about the marks percentage, but we at least will qualify. Most of you would have this thought in your mind. So under that premise that yes, most of us will qualify, we'll discuss about the future plan, because it's really important to plan the future. It's really important to think about the future, because at the right time, we need to take the right steps. That's very, very important. Time is of paramount importance. Time is of essence. So some things need to be discussed, or at least prepared. You should be mentally prepared for certain things in your mind as soon as you've given your CMA Foundation examination. So yes, in this particular video, we're going to discuss what are the two major things that you need to think. Okay, don't act. We need not act. We need not do anything, but we need to think about two major things in this particular video. We're going to discuss about those two things that we need to just think about in this particular scenario. Number one, sir, if we qualify CMA Foundation, should we give one group or should we give both the groups? Yes, group 1 has 4 papers. Group 2 has 4 papers. In all, we have 8 papers. So should we give only a single group or should we give both the groups? That is the first question that must be boggling in your mind. Yes, the second question is, sir, whether should we give June 2026 attempt or should we give December 2026 attempt? Which attempt should we give? Should we give June 2026 attempt or should we give December 2026 attempt? So in this particular video, we are going to discuss answers to both these questions, single group or both the groups, June 2026 attempt or December 2026 attempt. So first, coming on to your first question, whether to give single group or both the groups. Now, please understand we have 8 papers in total in CMA Intermediate. Group 1 contains financial accounting, cost accounting, law and ethics, direct taxation. Group 2 contains 4 papers, again, management accounting, financial management, OMSM and corporate accounting and auditing. Now, to give both the papers, we need to take coachings of all the papers, prepare all the papers well, and then we are prepared with both these groups. Each paper contains 100 marks. We need to acquire 40 marks in the individual subjects, and in aggregate, we need 50 marks for passing. That's the scenario. That's the criteria for passing the CMA Intermediate examination. Now, what if I tell you this is not the right time to take this decision? I know your mind is confused whether to give a single group or both the groups, but this is not the right time to take this decision. Similarly, the other question which you have in your mind, whether to give June 26 attempt or December 2026 attempt, this is not the right time to take this decision as well. Yes. So my recommendation to you is don't take decision till your results. Let the results come. Let's see your performance. Let's see your analysis. Let's see what you've done in your examination. After that, take this decision depending upon what time is left. And then also I'll be able to guide you. I'll be, putting up some video on my channel stating whether to give one group or both the groups or whether to opt for June 26 or December 26 attempt. But as of now, do not take this decision. That's what my recommendation will be. Don't just have this confusion in your mind. Don't just confuse your mind with this. So, sir, what should we do right now? My recommendation to you is just understand your subjects right now. Right now, just understand what are the 4 subjects in your group 1. Group 1, we have 4 subjects: cost accounting, financial accounting, DTIDT, law and ethics. Okay, just understand these subjects. Sir, how can we understand these subjects? Okay, so I have got some help for all of you regarding how to understand these 4 subjects. So guys, till your results, I'm offering you classes of these 4 subjects. not the complete classes, but 2 chapters each of all these 4 subjects. Just like you watch Netflix, okay? Just watch these classes. You'll be able to get a gist of what this subject is all about. We are providing you 2 chapters, basic chapters of each of the subjects, especially subjects like DT, IDT, which you are studying for the first time. You have not studied this subject ever before. So you'll be able to understand what is the depth and breadth of this subject called IDT and DT. We'll be providing you 2 chapters, complete chapters, along with PDFs of these 4 subjects till your results. So don't just take any decision. Don't just disturb your mind by saying, oh, I need to take this decision. Oh, I need to take this decision. No, don't take this decision. Just understand the subjects. What are the subjects? And then we'll take the decision when your result is out. Don't worry about that. So yes, these classes are available. Financial accounting, cost accounting, DTIT, law and ethics. We are providing 2 chapters each, about 100 hours of lecture we are providing in this particular package. Okay. PDF notes will be provided to you for those 2 chapters which will be discussed in this particular classes. Access till your results. Access to the classes will be given to you till your result. Only one device allowed. Any one device you can choose. We can give you access till your results. And yes, a nominal charge of 49 rupees is being charged. And the idea is not to earn money. Idea is to screen out some serious students. Screen out students who really want to make big for themselves. Screen out some students who really want to start early bird, who really want to qualify their CMA intermediate as soon as possible, who really want to qualify their CMA final as soon as possible, and they want to pre-prepared. They want to be pre-prepared. They don't want to be active. They want to be proactive. Idea is to churn out or just filter out those students, and that's why a nominal fee of 49 has been kept for this entire batch, which can be provided to you till your results so that you don't waste time. And I'm not asking you to study for 8 hours a day. No. I'm just asking you to study for 3 hours a day, 4 hours a day. That's it. So that in your next 1 month, at least you know what are these subjects. Actually, at least you know the chapters, at least you know first 2 chapters, and you get the gist of what these subjects are all about. And then you can choose to take classes either from the same faculties which I am providing you, or whatever faculty you want. That's your choice. Absolutely your choice. But as of now, till your results, my sincere request to you is don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Just employ your time in watching some demo lectures, some video lectures. These are not demo lectures. Let me tell you, these are not small lectures. These are full-fledged lectures which have the entire chapter in it. Entire chapter will be given to you of financial accounting. 2 chapters, entire, end to end. These are not demo lectures. These are not 1 or 2 or 3 hours lecture. These are complete 100 hours a lecture for total. Approximately you can say that 25 hours split like this. So we are giving you a wholesome lot for preparation for your CMA intermediate. Let's start. Let's at least start. Okay. So yes, my recommendation would be don't take this decision right now. Don't be boggled about taking this decision. So what should I do next? CMA Foundation exams are over. Result is still awaited and I don't know what to do. Don't take any such decision as of now. As of now, just guys, focus on understanding your subjects which are there for CMA intermediate. And yes, for availing this offer, you can call up on my number, talk to the counselors 9643929913. You can also visit the website www.cscscmanikhilgupta.com and you'll be able to see this this product over there. All right. So yes, all the best for your results, guys. CMA Foundation students, you've done well. I'm so proud of you. All the best for your results, and let's start the struggle. Let's start the churn. Let's start the big game, which is CMA intermediate. Let's start it on time. Let's do it in full force, and let's become CMA finalist as soon as possible. So yes, all the very best for your results. This is the info which I want to share with you. If you have any further queries, you can call on this number and my team will be able to help you out for any other queries. Till that time, all the very best and happy studying.